Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends here and abroad. Mark here in the fan cave. This is a 1979 Banvil Envirofan heavy-duty gold line. The serial number is 79/26464G. It's absolutely one of my favorite ceiling fans. And that being said, let's take it for a test spin. All right. Well, thank you very much for watching. In fact, I'm actually going to show you the label here. All right. Thanks a lot for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck. Always be kind.